So, hello and welcome back. And in order to remove the clock, this virtual cockpit or any kind of other cockpit, there is some process in this and it's not fun. So basically, to take this outer cover, this one, you need to remove this plastic. Okay, this one maybe not, but this you need to remove for sure. So this one you have to remove because there is one bolt over here and it's covered with this. So that's kinda, yeah, it's kinda odd, but yeah. So after you remove this screw, there are two more screws. I don't know what it was. So this 1/7 and the other one over that other side. So you need to unscrew those two, and they are not really that nice accessible stuff. So you need to remove this cover if you want to get to that one. So now you have a little bit more space. Let's call it like this. And now you have a little more space to come to these screws. And it's not really fun. And I didn't prepare myself very good for this, so it's gonna be awful experience for me. Anyways, you should really prepare yourself a little bit better than me. Because usually I don't do like this, I just remove everything. So after you took out these two, that's basically the only thing that it's holding it. After that it's just clips, and clips best in these new cars. It's best to use this plastic, because there is less chance you're gonna destroy something like I did first few times I've done this. So that's kind of something that you should consider. So it's not rocket science, but yeah. So, and now you can see the two bolts that are holding the display, and this one only two here, the lower ones, but they're also holding the clock. So that's something to take in consideration. So there's two. It's everything 7 these days in the Fox. So yeah, here the clock is out, and then you have just electricity, and there we go. So now we have the clock outside, and as you can see, there is huge difference in digital clock, and there is huge difference in normal clock. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and I hope this helped. So keep watching, and see you guys in the next one.